hope you had a good trading week wherever you are in the world. I just got back from Dubai. That was my 1 month holiday for this year, and I had a great time, but I'm a pretty jet lagged right now. And that's the reason that I am 1 day late in releasing my YouTube weekly analysis video. But let's just go ahead and jump in and get started. We've got some great things coming up, lots of news to share with you, and I've got some good pinning orders. So let's just go ahead and get started with that and get your laptop out and set up your pending orders, because the trading week has already started. We're 1 day behind. It's Monday, and we're ready to go. Some things are already moving. Gold is moving. Some of the currency pairs are moving. And that's what you see on the screen there is my website. That's rickrayfx.com/profile. That's where you can go to find out more about Forex trading. All right, so let's get into this weekly analysis, which is for the 2nd of October, 2023. And as usual, I will share with you the fundamental news, the high impact news that's coming out this week. And there is a lot of news coming out this week. So you really need to be aware of the news that we're going to have a look at here. And the profit and loss that we had from last week's trade setups, the pending orders I shared with you in last week's video. And then, of course, I will share my new pending orders that I have in place already for this upcoming week, starting on the 2nd of October. So let's first of all look at the forexfactory.com website. All right, and you can see it's fully loaded. All right, it's even today. All right, Monday, we have two big items, one at 9 p.m. in Asia. All right, that's in Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos. So if you live somewhere else in the world, be sure and check forexfactory.com for your local time. In fact, you might not even get this video before the news comes out, because that is in just a little bit under 2 hours from now. I'm trying to get this done and get it uploaded, but we have some big news coming out in just under 2 hours, and that's the ISM manufacturing PMI. And then an hour after that is our good buddy, Federal Chair Jerome Powell will be speaking, and you know how he shakes up the markets. So my recommendation is just sit back and wait, all right, because it's often a knee-jerk reaction. The market will move in one direction for a while and then back the other direction. So it's better just to wait till he finishes saying whatever he has to say. And then there's some more news on Tuesday. The Australian dollar has the interest rate, the cash rate. Wednesday, a bit more, the ADP non-farm employment change. Thursday, the regular weekly unemployment claims for the U.S. And then on Friday, the big one, the one that all Forex traders wait for, and that is the non-farm employment change. All right, this non-farm payrolls on this Friday. It's the first Friday of every month, and that will be this week. Okay, to finish out this week, the non-farm payrolls. So looking at the trade setups that I shared with you last week, only 2 trades opened, and that happens sometimes, as I have mentioned to you. Sometimes none of the trades open, sometimes all of the trades open, and sometimes just 1 or 2 or 3 trades might open. The Euro US, they had a sell limit on that one. It did not open. The odd US was neutral, so there was no trade on that one. The New Zealand US was a good one. Okay, it didn't open until it got started during the week there, went into a little bit of a loss, but we had a buy limit on that one, and that paid off very well with 104 pips if you close that on the Friday before the U.S. market session took it right back down, and you would have lost profits. It's actually still in profit right now, the buy limit from last week's trade setups that I shared with you. But if you close that out on Friday, you would have got 104 pips. The pound US did not open. The USD CAD is the other one that opened, and this one was good. It was a sell limit. All right, but you would have had to close that out. It opened, did very, very well on the Friday, and got 82 pips on the USD CAD sell limit from last week. The UJ did not open, and the pound New Zealand did not open, and neither did the Euro CAD sell limit. Okay, that one just missed by a few pips. All right, looking at the trade setups that I have in place for this upcoming week, with gold, I don't have a pending order. All right, I'm waiting till after Jerome Powell finishes doing his magic, saying what he has to say, and we'll wait and see if gold is going to change direction. It's been very, very bearish. We saw that last week gold dropped around about 900 to 1,000 pips. All right, it's been very, very bearish, but we have a key level here at 1840. Now, if it closes below 1840 any day this week, and it looks like it might today, it closes below, the bears really have a strong advantage. So we could see even lower prices. All right, but if we can close above 1840, the bulls might be able to come in and get a little bit of advantage and change direction with gold. We saw a lot of profit taking last week. All right, it was the end of the month, the end of quarter, and we saw a lot of profit taking, big drop on gold. It sank quite a bit. But we do have some strong support at 1840. That's a very, very key level. And right now it's resistance. Okay. It started out as support during the day, but then it's broke below that just a little bit and now trying to come back up. So we'll see if we can close above 1840 and give the bulls a little bit of advantage. The pending orders that I have in place, I have a sell limit on the Euro US, and that entry price is 1.0565. Sell limit on the Euro US. The odd US, believe it or not, is still neutral. Okay, I know we see some big moves here on Thursday and Friday, but actually last week it started where it finished. It finished where it started, however you want to put it. All right, so the odd US is still neutral, and for me that means no trade. The New Zealand US, however, is giving us a bullish signal. All right, so I have a buy limit on the New Zealand US, and that entry price is 0.5950. The pound US, I have a sell limit on that one. Okay, that's bearish against the US dollar, so a sell limit at 1.2175. It's just a little bit below that now. Let it make a correction back to 1.2175. And the USD CAD is neutral. Okay, and for me that means no trade. And the UJ, I do not have a trade planned on that one. The pound New Zealand, I have a sell limit with the entry price at 2.0385, and it's just a little bit below that right now. Okay, the entry price on the pound New Zealand sell limit, 2.0385. And then the Euro CAD, sell. Okay, no pending order. Right now, just sell. It's bearish. All right, so just take a market execution order and sell the Euro CAD. Okay, before I leave with my weekly analysis, I just want to remind you that there are ways to make income without trading. If you're not interested in learning how to trade or you don't have time to trade, you can still follow a strategy provider, copy their trades, and earn income from the foreign exchange market. And I do have a CopyTrade platform. All right, so if you want more information about that, how to get started, you can contact me directly or just go to my website, rickrayfx.com/CopyTrade, and you'll find out how you can follow, copy, and earn income from the foreign exchange market. Okay, that's it for me, guys. I know it was a brief one and fairly quick. I'm just trying to get caught up for this week now that I'm back home and the holiday is finished and done. And sorry for the delay. And from now onwards, I should be able to be on schedule with my weekly analysis, releasing this on every Sunday before the market opens on the following Monday. Okay, I hope you have a great week of trading. And thanks again for being here. And I will see you again in the next video.